Around 60% of the world's population has overweight problems due to several factors. Have you ever wondered if when you eat matters just as much as what you eat for burning fat? So many of us focus solely on calorie counts or cutting carbs, but science suggests that timing can be a major factor in the fat-burning process. A simple, powerful shift in your routine can supercharge your metabolism and help you shed fat faster, just by eating at a specific time of day. Today we'll uncover the science-backed strategies to maximize fat burning by aligning your meals with your body's natural rhythms. Welcome to Levitas. Our bodies operate on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which affects virtually every bodily function, including metabolism, hormone production, and sleep-wake cycles. This rhythm helps synchronize our body's functions with natural light and dark cycles, making sure we're energized during the day and resting at night. For fat burning, the circadian rhythm plays a critical role in regulating the release of certain hormones, like cortisol, which wakes us up and prepares the body for activity, and melatonin, which signals rest and sleep. The metabolic impact of the circadian rhythm is significant. It determines how well we digest food, absorb nutrients, and even burn fat. During the early hours of the day, our bodies are more insulin sensitive, meaning they can handle and process nutrients better, which is why breakfast timing can have such a profound effect on metabolism. Eating in line with our circadian rhythm, especially earlier in the day, can help optimize our body's natural fat-burning processes. When we eat outside of this rhythm, especially late at night, it disrupts these patterns, potentially slowing metabolism and leading to increased fat storage over time. Eating before 8 a.m. can kickstart the body's metabolism early in the day, taking advantage of heightened insulin sensitivity. This timing aligns with your natural circadian rhythm, where the body is primed to use energy rather than store it as fat. Starting the day with an early meal activates thermogenesis, the process of heat production in the body, boosting calorie burning from the get-go and setting up the body for better fat oxidation throughout the day. Eating early in the day has several notable hormonal effects that can benefit fat loss. In the morning, cortisol levels are naturally higher, reaching their peak as we wake up. This hormone, often called the stress hormone, has a functional role in mobilizing energy sources. Eating soon after waking helps balance cortisol levels by signaling to the body that it's time to shift from an energy-conserving, fasting state to an active, energy-burning state. This timing works with your circadian rhythm, reinforcing the body's natural energy cycle. Additionally, insulin sensitivity is typically higher in the morning. This means that when you eat early, your body needs to release less insulin to process glucose, helping stabilize blood sugar and reduce fat storage. Eating early helps control hormones too, like ghrelin, the hunger hormone, that signals the need to eat. When you eat before 8 a.m., you help regulate ghrelin, potentially decreasing cravings later in the day. The hormone leptin, which signals fullness, also benefits from this timing, reducing the risk of overeating at later meals. Together, these hormonal effects support a more efficient fat-burning process. Aligning your first meal with your circadian rhythm by eating before 8 a.m. taps into the body's natural fat-burning potential. By eating early, you trigger thermogenesis, a process where your body produces heat as it digests and metabolizes food, effectively burning more calories from the start of the day. Early eating helps you take advantage of your heightened insulin sensitivity, which means your body is more efficient at converting food into energy rather than storing it as fat. Moreover, eating early keeps blood sugar levels stable, avoiding the mid-morning or afternoon crashes that can lead to sugar cravings and overeating. Stable blood sugar also means a smoother release of energy, helping you maintain high activity levels and burn more calories throughout the day. By eating in alignment with your body's internal clock, you're setting up your metabolism to work more efficiently, giving your body a fat-burning edge without major changes in diet or exercise. There is some truth to the idea that stomach acid production can be lower in the morning, as gastric acid secretion tends to increase in the evening and peak around midnight. However, this doesn't mean your body isn't ready to digest food in the morning. Our digestive systems are generally prepared to handle food intake soon after waking, due to natural circadian cues that signal digestion to get ready for the day. Low stomach acid may be more relevant for individuals with digestive issues or those who experience symptoms like acid reflux. For most people, however, the body adjusts quickly to an early meal, producing adequate stomach acid as soon as food enters the stomach. Choosing foods that are easier to digest, such as lean proteins and healthy fats, can further support the digestive process in the morning, even if stomach acid levels start out slightly lower. So, what are the best foods to eat? The foods you choose to eat early in the morning can either support or hinder your fat loss goals. Here are the best options to consider. Proteins. Starting your day with protein can help keep you full longer and stabilize blood sugar levels. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean meats like turkey or chicken are excellent choices. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbs and fats, meaning your body uses more energy to digest it, leading to increased calorie burn. Healthy fats, from sources like avocado, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil, provide a steady energy source without causing blood sugar spikes. Fats are digested more slowly, providing sustained energy and helping you feel satisfied until your next meal. Additionally, they help keep insulin levels stable, which is key for fat burning. Fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, flax seeds, and berries, aid digestion and help regulate blood sugar. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugars, reducing insulin spikes and promoting a feeling of fullness. This makes it easier to avoid cravings later in the day. Including these foods in your morning meal not only supports early-day metabolism, but also provides balanced nutrition that helps regulate hunger, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating routine. But what about carbs? Is it okay to eat them? Carbs, particularly simple or processed carbs, can lead to quick spikes in blood sugar, which then prompt insulin release. High insulin levels in the morning can shut down fat-burning mechanisms and increase fat storage. By avoiding or minimizing carbs in the morning, you allow your body to rely more on stored fat for fuel, giving you a jump start on fat burning that continues through the day. Starting the day with high protein and healthy fats rather than carbs keeps insulin stable and maximizes the body's fat-burning potential. In conclusion, science of meal timing reveals that our circadian rhythm, a natural 24-hour clock, profoundly impacts how our bodies process food and burn fat. Eating in sync with this rhythm, especially before 8 a.m., can enhance fat-burning efficiency. In the early morning, our bodies are more insulin-sensitive, meaning they're primed to use nutrients for energy rather than storing them as fat. An early meal activates thermogenesis, boosting calorie burn from the start of the day and setting a foundation for effective fat oxidation. Hormones play a vital role too. Cortisol peaks in the morning, helping mobilize energy. Eating early balances cortisol and stabilizes insulin, blood sugar, and hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, supporting a smooth energy flow and reducing cravings. While stomach acid levels may be slightly lower in the morning, our digestive system adjusts quickly to early meals, especially with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which not only help stabilize blood sugar but also encourage fullness and sustained energy. Avoiding carbs in the morning prevents insulin spikes that can slow fat burning, allowing the body to tap into fat stores for fuel. With these strategies, aligning your eating schedule with your body's natural clock can provide a powerful edge in reaching your fat loss goals. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.